What I experienced at Anderson is top-notch.
It's really important to not just plan for now, but to plan for future generations.
The general public just don't know what they're missing.
It was very interesting because I came here not knowing I was so exposed and hanging out there.
Two things that were important that we've learned from the tax and asset protection events have been the anonymity part has been really important, and I think also just the way to protect our assets.
I felt like they had vision on the growth that I was going to have, and they were prepared for it, and they made me prepared for it.
And through workshops in Anderson and all day Saturday long sessions from Anderson, I learned how to discern what the best opportunity was for me.
The decision to join Anderson's team and to be a part of their programs made money sense. But as a mother and as a wife, it's life-changing.
I have deep gratitude for the ability to continue to participate either digitally on a webinar or in person the various workshops. Because despite the fact I've heard the same message over and over and over, each time I hear it, I ingrain it more into my being, and I pick up little nuggets that I didn't realize I knew, but now I know how to use them.
When I started attending some of the classes, I thought I was hiring a law firm to help me set up asset protection, but I realized that I really was hiring an educational firm.
I would recommend Anderson Advisors to anybody that's in the real estate investment space.
I would recommend Anderson to anyone, whether they're a new entrepreneur looking to start out their own business or whether they've been in business for decades and need to establish themselves to gain the same kind of asset protection and anonymity that I've learned to.
I would, without reservation, or absolutely recommend Anderson to anybody.